Rahim viewers, welcome to Genius Developer. Today we are going to learn the part of speech. This is the basic of English, and if you want to learn English, if you want to seek the spoken English, then this channel and this special video is going to very important for you. So never skip the video, watch it complete, and subscribe our channel for the next videos. So let's start the part of speech. So in part of speech we have first one is noun. Noun is first one. So let's discuss the noun. What is the noun? So the definition, according to the definition, noun is the name of any person, place or thing. So I write here the name of the noun. So you can that note, name of person, place or thing is called noun. So here are three things which you have to understand: person, place or thing. Person means there can be any human being, there can be any name, a man, girl or anything. Or place means there can be any place. Suppose that there can be city or any place. It doesn't mean common or the special. So here is the thing. Thing means any materialistic thing, like that the board marker, whiteboard and anything. Materialistic thing means anything. So this is the definition of the noun. So nouns has kinds. Now I am going to tell you the basic two kinds of noun here. So first one is proper noun, and the second one is common noun. Okay, so sorry for that. First I want to tell you here the three examples of the according to the definitions. So person, there can be any person, like that I write my own name, Jafar. Or here place mean any place, like that I write here Lahore. Or here is things you can write anything, like I write here car, you anything you can write, any materialistic thing you can write here. Okay, now let's discuss the proper noun. So I write the definition here of proper noun. The definition of proper noun is the name of any special thing is called proper noun. There is no common thing. The special things will come in the category of proper noun. So let's write the name of the proper noun. The name of special thing, person, place. Name of special things, person, place is called proper noun. Suppose that I write here the special name, like that I write here Ali, or I can write here my own name, there's a special name. Or suppose that I write the names Lahore. Lahore is a special name, and anything you can write here will come in the special proper noun. So I write here some examples, more examples, so it will be clarified in your mind. And one thing you just keep in your mind: special noun can be proper noun. Okay, now we have discussed the proper noun. Now let's come to the common noun. Common noun is the same, a little bit different. The name of common person, place or thing is called common noun. Here I am going to write the definition. The name of common person, place or thing is called common noun. So there will be the common things, common person or common places. No, name will not be specified here. Suppose that I write here boy or city or book. So these are example of common noun. Here boy is not specified the name of the boy. We don't know what is the name of the boy. Or city, we don't know about the city. Which is the city, we don't know. Just city is mentioned. There are so many cities in the world. So book, we don't know whether it's book of English, Urdu or any book, we don't know. So I write here the more examples. So we are going to now convert the common noun into the proper noun. This step will be more clarify in your mind. So I am going to write the common nouns. So my handwriting is very poor, so you just have to compromise over it. Common noun and proper noun. So I write here like that boy. This is a common noun. Now let's change it into proper noun. I write any name of the boy like that. I write here Ali. You can write your favorite name. I write here city. You can give the name to any city of this. Like that I write here Bahawalnagar. Here I write things like that. I write book. Book, you can name it. You can name it to make it proper noun. Like that you can write here English book, or the other book you can write. You can write here any other book according to your favorite book which you have. So thank you again. Subscribe to this channel and like our video. Thank you very much.